We were supposed to be leaving for Mexico at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, but my wife's passport expired 6 months ago, and we didn't know until we went to check in for our flight. So, Laura, she demands that I blur her out. So we're driving to Detroit. We were flying out of Traverse City. We're driving to Detroit now to try to renew our passport, or her passport. My passport and passport card are fine. So we're gonna drive to Detroit to try to beg the passport office to give her an extension same day. I looked online, it looks like that's actually not that uncommon, which is kind of a nice thing, but it'll be hectic and we're gonna just delay our trip like one more day and whatever, so I guess we'll see how this goes.
Don't. You
just right at me.
The worker here is not impressed with my antics. We've obtained the passport photo. You are positive you have all of your documents?
I am.
I don't know. I'm probably not going to film a lot on the drive down because it's dark and I hate driving with the light on, and I don't think you can see me anyway right now. But we're driving to Detroit. We'll check back in later. It's like 11 and we're at a rest stop.
It's like midnight.
No, it's 11:02 I think it was.
It's 11:40.
Oh, it's 11:40. We're going to be in Detroit at like 11:20. Or no, at 1:20. Sorry.
Should you be driving?
We're going to be in Detroit at like 1:20. You should probably find a hotel for us. We are about an hour away from Detroit, and it's awesome that this thing just is kind of clipped on there, but this car doesn't have a spare because it's got different size wheels in the front and the back, and evidently we picked up a nail or something because it was a little bit low, but it's been pretty consistently leaking since for the last hour or so it sucks. The new plan is that it's 1:03 in the morning, and the tire, I had it at like 55 pounds about 20 minutes ago, so it's rapidly losing air pressure. So rather than drive it, fill it up a couple times, get to Detroit hotel, and then have to figure out what we're gonna do in the morning, we decided to backtrack, go to my mom's house in Lapeer, which is about 30 miles back, or 30 minutes, 40 minutes back, to get the Grand Cherokee, actually the same Jeep that we borrowed when both of our cars broke before. I think I said it in a different video, maybe it didn't. This car doesn't have a spare tire because it has different size wheels in the front and in the back. So we're going to switch cars, and then we're gonna keep driving down to Detroit and hope this passport thing works. Mad dash, throw everything in the white Jeep, and hopefully get moving quickly. All right, we're at the DoubleTree Hilton in Detroit. I think we're like a block away from the passport place. It's almost 3 in the morning, like 2:30 in the morning. So just paid $200 for our hotel that we will sleep in for
4 hours.
4 hours. Not even. Yeah, we'll be here for a total of 4 hours. Hopefully the passport thing works, and if it doesn't, that's okay too, whatever. This hotel actually seems pretty nice.
We'll just stay here.
We're not on the 6th floor, we're on the 8th floor.
Why would 8 be 10? Why would anything? Oh my God.
All right, we are checked into our room. It's actually a really nice hotel, really nice room. If the video looks weird, it's because I'm flipping between my iPhone and my normal camera. I have nothing really left to say. Love you, woman.
Oh my God, I love you.
It's 2:48, going to bed. Our appointment is at 8:30, and we are hoping that we will not have 2 insurance claims. It's the next morning. Our view of the beautiful city of Detroit. Actually, Detroit's like pretty nice looking through a window. I mean, I guess maybe it's nice out there too. We haven't really walked. We haven't really walked around. Laura's got her forms. I'm confident. We have our second set of flights are booked. This is gonna work. I know it's gonna work. I'm confident. I'm a little nervous. Don't tell Laura.
It's gotta work.
If it doesn't, we've got this place. I don't know that I want to stay here for a week. Here we go. We're walking to the passport office. Actually, super good call on this hotel. It's like literally, it says it's a 6-minute walk, but it's like around a block. We got there and went to check in, and Laura had forgotten her passport photos. So I ran back to the hotel and grabbed these, but they also have like a gift shop or something in the lobby that ended up taking photos for her right away. So that's good. I'm gonna run back there. I told our appointment's at 8:30. It's like 8:15 right now. So I told her like just go straight back in, and then she's gonna do that, and I'm just gonna meet her there. Hopefully they let me back in. So if you know me, you know I don't run. So this must be really something. All right, they approved it. They said we can pick the passport up at
by 3. They're gonna call you though.
No, it's at 3.
Oh, so we're going back to this building at 3 o'clock to get our passport. So now we just have, it's like
The day.
It's like 8:30. We're gonna go back to the hotel and relax, and then what an adventure. Now that turns out, I guess I'm not gonna say anything until we get there.